Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to minify CSS and improve page speed in Blogger. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Blogger, just click on the Create Account option. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Okay, so minifying CSS and improving page speed in Blogger can offer a lot of advantages for your blog's performance and user experience. Because number one, minifying CSS reduces the file size by removing unnecessary white space, comments, and other redundant code. Now, this optimization leads to faster loading times for your blog, enhancing user experience and reducing bouncing rate. Now, in my case, I needed a minified CSS to improve the SEO because Google considers a page speed as one of the ranking factors for search engine optimization, which is SEO. By optimizing your CSS and improving page speed, you can potentially improve your blog's search engine ranking, leading to increased visibility and traffic. Now, for us to be able to do that, then the first thing we need to do from here is now we need to go to our blog itself so we can check the speed and performance of it. Okay, so from here, what I need to do is you need to copy the whole URL of your blog and then go to a specific page called Page Speed Insight. Basically, what it does, it is a web-based tool developed by Google to assess the performance of a web page and provide suggestions for improving its speed and user experience. Now, it analyzes the content of a web page and generates a report with recommendations to optimize various aspects that influence the page speed and performance. Now, from here, all you have to do is paste the URL code of your blog and click on Analyze. Now, the tool evaluates both mobile and desktop versions of a web page and assigns a score based on the performance metrics such as the first contentful paint or the FCP. Now, the time it takes for the first content element to be rendered on the screen, and the FMP, which is first meaningful paint, the time it takes for the primary content of the page to be displayed. Now, here's some performance that you'd like to check. Now, based on these metrics, Page Speed Insights generates a score from ranging 0 to 100 for both mobile and desktop versions of the page. And obviously, a higher score indicates better performance, with scores above 90 considered excellent and scores between 50 and 90 indicating room for improvement. And of course, scores below 50 indicating poor performance. And from here, now you can check the mobile version and the desktop version, and from here what we need to do is to go back to our Blogger dashboard. Now, once you're here, just go to Theme and click on Customize, but there's an option for you to backup, because once you do it, you can download a backup of the theme so you don't lose any changes you have made. All right, and once you've done that, the next thing is now, the next step is click again on the drop down and click on Edit HTML. And from here, we need to edit the CSS code from the navigation bar, right? If you want it, just Control F, press Control F and type in nav. Or you need to hover down at the very bottom, nav bar. There we go. And from here, all I have to do is, once you've figured it out, again, just click on the cursor right here. And all I have to do is hover your mouse at the very bottom. Okay. And once you do that, press Ctrl X for cut. All right. Now be mindful of that. You can paste the code in a notepad so it won't you won't lose it. And the next step is we need to go to a specific website called Minify CSS. Go to Google and type it in and hit enter. And from here, there's a lot that you could use, but I usually use the top tool. And remember, this step is very important because from here, all I have to do is put the code that we cut earlier in our edit HTML and paste it in, right? And from here, as you can see, there's an option to minify, right? Just click on it. Now, once it's done, all we have to do is copy it to the clipboard right here. And make sure that you have put the proper syntax here. Otherwise, there's going to be an error later on. Now, copy to clipboard, and we need to go back to our Blogger. As you can see, this is where we left off. There is the active cursor, and all we have to do is just paste in the copied Minify CSS code. There's a lot, and from here, all you have to do is just save or publish or update, which is in the upper right corner called save, right? Now, this step is very important. Click on it, and once you've done that, you can also click on the preview theme right here. Now, if you encounter any error like this, you just have to go back, right? And just fix the syntax errors. And after you have done that, you figured it all out, we need to go back to Page Speed Insights again and paste the URL website or the blog, because it will provide another detailed recommendations for optimizing various aspects of the page, because I believe we tried that to make our blogs faster. And by following the recommendations provided here by Page Speed Insights, web developers and site owners can improve the performance, user experience, and search engine ranking of their web pages. As you can see, it changes from 89 to 90. So that means the browser caching reduced server response times. It eliminated unnecessary redirects and reducing server response times. So it improved server-side performance because it optimized the codes and configurations. So as you can see, it's very helpful. And by minifying CSS and improving page speed in Blogger, you can have numerous benefits. Again, including faster loading times, improved SEO, enhanced user experience, and better conversion rates. Now, these optimizations can help your blog stand out, attract more visitors, and achieve your business goals more effectively. I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.